Hi guys, welcome back to my channel JoSum Vlogs. I am Jo and today is the 6th day of the 40 days challenge. So we are getting one day closer to finishing my 40 days challenge, which is exciting. Green peas is my favorite vegetable. I love green peas in every dish of mine, be it a curry, be it a pulao, be it anything. Just add few green peas and I will love that dish. And I can eat green peas by itself as well, like just boil them, toss them in masalas, and you can eat it as a snack as well. So it's quite a flexible vegetable that way. Here are the spices. So I'll be using bay leaf, about 4 to 5 cardamom, 3 to 4 cloves, 1 small cinnamon stick. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Add the spices. Half an onion julienne. So cook the onions for about 2 minutes so that they are slightly crispy. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. The ginger garlic should be cooked until the raw smell goes away, guys. So make sure ginger garlic is well cooked. I added 2 boiled potatoes. Add half a cup of peas, green peas, and mix them all well. To this, I will be adding 1 cup of soaked rice. The trick is to make sure you mix the rice in the ghee and the vegetables once. Just like this. Add 1 whole cup of coriander or cilantro and give it a mix. Please check the salt, guys. The water should be a little salty. Add 1 more spoon of ghee. Few drops of lime. Close the lid and let it cook for. Close the lid and let it cook on a medium flame for about 10 to 15 minutes. As you can see, the peas, aloo and coriander leaves pulao is getting cooked there. So while that is cooking, I wanted to talk to you guys about today's 2 cents. Cultivate inner peace. What does that mean? How do you cultivate inner peace, right? So peace does not come from external circumstances, and peace comes from within yourself. My personal experience has been, I am at peace when I accept reality, right? Not live in the future, not live in the past, but living in the present, accepting the surroundings, accepting the people surrounding you, and loving yourself, being compassionate, and being helpful to others gives me a lot of peace. So that's my goal, guys. I want to be helpful to others. I like to help people in need. So that gives me peace. So find yours. There you go, guys. The pulao is perfectly cooked. So my yummy, tasty peas pulao is now ready, guys. Can you see how hot it is? I can see the fumes. While I enjoy this yummy pulao, have fun, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Until then, bye bye.